Welcome, guys. Welcome to our first class. Today is our first class, so we are all excited. I'm excited, and I'm sure all of you must be excited too. So, this is our first class. We are calling it Module A. We'll be having 5 modules like that, and I hope to finish this slide deck today within the 40-minute time frame. So, we'll be going one by one through the slides. फर्स्ट जस्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शंस. अगर हम लोग किसी से भी बात करते हैं कश्मीरी में तो बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शंस में हम कैसे बात करेंगे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू show it to you in the next few slides. So first of all, greeting, right? So you all are aware of this. So we greet with Namaskar Mahara, and then we can just introduce ourselves saying B chus if you're a male, or chus if you're a female. B chus, whatever the name, right? So that's a very simple basic introduction. So Namaskar Mara, B chus Amit. B chus your name, right? And then the next greeting can be Namaskar Mara, B chus Amit. Value as Echav Kashur. Yeah. So anybody here who cannot pronounce any of these words, just let me know. I think you must have heard these words. These are very basic Kashmiri words, right? Namaskar Mara, Buchus, Amit. Namaskar Mara, Buchus Amit, Valiv as Hechav Kashur, right? So this is the second slide right now that you saw. Just the basic introductions we are doing. So the other one can be Myon Navchu, whatever the name is, right? Myon Navchu Amit. Or you can say Mechu Amit now, Mechu Ayush now, Mechu Ahan now, Mechu Gunjan now, Gunjan Chu me now. So right, so something like that. You can just mix and match these words together, right? So you have the basic greetings there, or you can say V chus or chas six as para. Chas college gathan. Everybody clear? Right? These are very simple sentences, right? So let's go again from the very beginning of the deck. Basic introductions. Namaskar Mahara, B chus Amit. Valiv as Hechav Kashur. Myo nav chu Amit. Mye chu Amit now. B chus 6th paran. B chus 10th paran. B chas college gathan. Right? So these are the basic introductions. However, if I give you sentences, I can give you n number of sentences, and then you will be remembering those sentences, and it's like forever, right? I'll keep giving you sentences and you keep memorizing those sentences. So there's a Chinese proverb which is, give a man a fish and you feed him today, but you teach him how to fish and you will feed him forever. So that's my goal. I want to give you a fish, which I have given you a few sentences, but I actually want to teach you how to fish so that you can make your own words, you can make your own sentences. Because we are artists, we are scientists, right? We study science, we do art. So we want to create. So we should create rather than we getting sentences from somebody else and then start repeating those sentences. We want to create our own sentences. So that's what we're going to do. So let's create together our first clause or a phrase. Yeah. Your own team name. Your own team name is itself a Kashmiri clause. A clause means chota sa, where it doesn't have, it may or may not have a full meaning, but it has a subject, right? So just say your team names, right? Your team names is A, an. So if somebody says, "But or will you have food?" You can say an or anu, right? So that itself is makes a little Kashmiri clause or a sentence. Or another team is team B is be. Somebody comes inside the room, you say, "Ah, well, be." So you have yourself, you have created one own clause. So all your team names are themselves a little clause. So Gunjan has raised a hand. Yeah, Gunjan, just 1 minute. I'll unmute you. Just hold on. Yeah, Gunjan, go ahead.
Uncle, I just had one question. What's the difference when you say un and ano? Ano?
Yes, yes,
उसमें
very good
difference
question,
tense का
Gunjan.
है क्या?
Very nice question. That is, we are going to be talking about the verb tenses and the qualifiers. So that is a part of the tense and the qualifiers, which will come later on. But it's a very good question. So keep that in your
Okay.
notes. So when we talk about verb qualifiers and verb tenses, we'll be talking about that.
Okay.
So I
Thank
hope
you.
I hope abhi tak you guys have understood the very basic thing, which is your team name is itself a little Kashmiri clause. So A, an, B, be, C, che, D, door, door. Somebody says, hey, he's missing a bus. Hey, door, guts. So that means go run, and catch the bus. So D, door, E, wali. So somebody is there sitting in the other room. You say, wali, you were. E, F, F is fear page. So fear's a page, turn the page. So firu. So that's itself in itself is one of the clauses. So you have learned it. So any verb in itself will give you a clause. So now let's go through the rules. What are the rules of creation? Because now we don't want to get these sentences from anybody else. We want to create our own sentences. So we should be having some rules. So what is the first rule? Rule number 1, a stand-alone verb makes a clause. We already talked about this. An example is your team name is a stand-alone verb. It makes a clause. Yeah. Rule number 2, your first assignment, you had to name 2 nouns. So I think Gunjan had, I saw Gunjan, Ayush, and Anisha, I think, had given their homeworks. And I saw one was Zunt, was apple, is called a Zunt. And one was, I think, Botal, and one was Kitab, right? So rule number 2, what does rule number 2 say? A verb plus a noun also makes a sentence. So your verb is an. An, a team A का है an किताब, an बोतल, an सूट, right? So that itself is a sentence. So that's rule number 2. A verb, you just take a verb, take any verb, and then you add a noun to it. That will make a sentence. Che, chai, gind, cricket, fir, Maggie, fir, juice. फिर is also known as turn. जब पेज की बात करते हैं तो फिर उसमें जब किसी को कुछ लेना होता है, you want something to eat, you can say फिर fresh, फिर soda. So I hope everything is clear so far. So rule number 1, rule number 2, very easy peasy. Now that's rule number 2, complement of rule number 2. A complement means an opposite of rule number 2. This little thing next to the number 2 is a complement. Complement means an opposite of that. So rule number 2 का opposite क्या है? Instead of a verb thing, you say thing verb. A thing and the verb. Hurrah! That makes a sentence too. So initially था चे चाय, चाय चे. गिंद cricket, cricket गिंद. फिर मैगी, मैगी फिर. So that itself makes a sentence also. So these are the 3 rules that we are learning so far. Now comes Gunjan's question. Gunjan had a question about tenses, right? So any verb, you see the present में हमने जितने भी आपके team names हैं, these are all the verbs. These are all the verbs in the present tense. So like un. So Gunjan, let me unmute you. Just hold on. Gunjan, your team name is un, right?
Yes, it's
Can you use this table to come up with the tenses? Just use this as a reference. Okay, un. जैसे pak है, pak. Pak.
Okay.
Pok. Pak. That's a future.
Amit uncle, can you hold on 1 minute? Papa has a work related issue. He needs my help. Just 1 minute.
ठीक है.
1 minute.
Ayush, you're on the call.
Hotspot is on. Sorry, Amit uncle, I'm back.
Yeah. So
I have to use the table.
Yeah. So this table, let me first explain to you this table. This table has 5 columns, right? The first column is the present form of the verb. Second column is the past, future, past participle, and continuous, right? So for example, we say pak. So इसका continuous है pakan, boz, bozan, dor, doran, वन, वनान. तो आपका जो अन है उसका क्या होगा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल कंटिन्यूअस?
Present.
हाँ,
ano.
अन, अनान, राइट? कंटिन्यूअस का
Anan.
राइट? कंटिन्यूअस उसका रहेगा अनान. एंड व्हाट अबाउट पास्ट पार्टिसिपल? उन्मुत, राइट?
Unmut.
राइट? करेक्ट?
Unmut.
करेक्ट.
Okay.
So Ayush, can you now tell me your team name is Beh, right? Ayush and Arshia? Yeah. Can you tell me your continuous? आपके verb का continuous क्या रहेगा? Be. Behan, correct. और past participle रहेगा Butmut. Be, Butmut. He sat. And he's in the process of sitting. Continuous is Behan, right? So team C. Team C is, I think, Anisha, right? Team C, guys, just unmute yourselves. All of you guys. So team C, can you just tell me your continuous? आपका verb है आपके पास. Che.
Chevan.
Chevan, correct. So che, chevan. Or che, chomut. Past participle. He has already drunk. He drank his milk. And chu chomut dod. Ichu chavan. So it's continuous. So team D, can you tell me your verb door? Door से क्या आएगा? Continuous. Team D. Who is team D? I forgot who is team D. Let me check the. Guys, you're mute. I think you guys need to unmute yourselves.
Yes, it's Dorhan.
Doran, right? Who is team D? Sorry.
It's Alicia and Ahan.
Yeah, very good. So D is Dor, so Doran, right? That's continuous.
Yes.
Understood? And what about past participle?
Dormut.
Durmut. Very good. Very good. Very nice. So what is team number E? Which is team number E? E का है ये right ये तो ये का आएगा Ivan right Ivan Suchu Ivan
Ma. मैंने बोला
Ivan right Amut will be the past participle. Ivan means is in the process of coming. ये Ivan Amut. F फिर का क्या आएगा? टीम F. फिर का क्या आएगा? फिर का Firan, right? Firan.
Firan, yeah.
Fürmut. İçi Firan. İçi Rogan Josh Firan. İçi Firan Rogan. İçi Fürmut. İçi Fürmut Rogan Josh. İçi Page Firan. İçi Fürmut Page. Right? He has already done it.
He is teaching now.
That's the continuous. One is the continuous and one is the past participle. Yeah. So very easy. Just have to take your verb and just use this table as a guide to come with continuous and past participle. Now let's talk about past and future. ये थोड़ा सा tricky है, past and future. So pak means present में walk, चलो. Poke, that means he has already walked. He has already finished walking. वो to poke. Wala paku pak. Poke in the past. And future is pak. Pak or that is the first person or second person में pak और third person में hu paiki pak hu paiki and collective is us pakau, right? That's a little tricky now. पहले दो continuous and past participles very simple. Past future is little bit difficult. It will take you some time to go through the table, but you will get it, right? So now let's look at the Bose part. Bose is present, means suno, listen. Bose. Past क्या होगा उसका? He has already listened to it. So wooze. I'm wooze. Future में अगर मुझे सुनना है तो Bose news. और second person में Bose news. You listen to the news. Bose news. Bozak news. Who Bose news. He will listen to the news. Dadu Bose news. और Papa Bose news. ओए सरी मिलके ओए सरी Bozo birth. Yeah. So that's the collective. So पहला वाला जो है is first person, second person, third person and collective. Door. Dur. Ashudu. Asdur. That means we have already finished. Door is present. Dur. Future में Budor. Sudorak. Hudor. Usdora. Anybody has any
Yes.
here? Should be
No.
little tricky, but you should get it. Eventually you'll get it. One.
But I'm not getting what to.
Which one? Ahan, which one? The future wala?
D part. Yes, the future D part.
Achha, that is the collective part. Though future ka jo collective hai, like let's say a bunch of your friends are talking together, and you will say that we are going to listen to the new song from Arjit Singh tomorrow. So what will you say? Us means we all together. Us bozo birth. Us
Both.
correct. Us bozo in future together collectively we will listen.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
door Us collectively दोहराओ. Tomorrow if it is a marathon, us दोहराओ. Collectively we are all
Dodo.
दोहराओ. Correct. दोहराओ marathon. Us दोहराओ marathon. One.
Or Dodo marathon.
Correct. Right? Got it?
Yes.
And then next one is one. That means you say something. So one is the present form. One, he has already told it. He has spoken. So one, so one, you tell.
One.
Time won.
One.
He said.
Won.
Correct.
He
Time
said.
won. Yeah. And then
Yes.
the future wala. B1.
Bhavana.
B1. Correct.
Bhavana.
Svanak. You will say. Yep. Svanak. Who wine. And Ashwanav. We will all say. Easy peasy. Par. Par means read. I think Anisha and Anushka का ये एक verb था. Par and shong. Par. Anisha, can you unmute yourself? Hold on.
Yes.
हाँ, अभी आप आपका पर जो था, पर verb था ना आपका.
हाँ.
अभी आप past में क्या बोलोगे?
For.
Very good. And future में?
Future में पर.
Correct. I will study. पर अगर second person को बोल रहे हो जो आपके सामने है, परख. Correct. परख. And third person में है वो बंदा, वहां पे नहीं है. He is third person. Su और who परि. Correct. Got it ना?
Yes.
And collectively में क्या बोलोगे? Collectively में सब लोग मिलके? अस्पराव. Very good. अस्पराव. शोंग में क्या बोलोगे? शोंग is present. है ना? तो उसका past क्या होगा? शोंग. Right? शोंग. शोंग. थोड़ा सा ये subtle है यहाँ पे. शोंग means present में. And shong, he has already slept. Shong. And future will be first person में.
Shanga.
Shong, very good. And second person में?
Shanga.
Shongak, very nice. And third person में? Who?
Shangi.
Shonge, very nice. And us? Us Shonga, very good. So you can see a pattern here. You see k, pak, boz, dor, van, par. That's first person. Second person future में kh, parak, bozak, dorak, vanak, parak. And third person में paki, boze, dore, vani, pari, shongi. And collective में future में parak, bozak, dorak, vanak, parak, shongak. Yep, so easy peasy. And अब past participle में क्या होगा? गुंजन, शोंग का past participle में क्या होगा? Look at the pattern. Yeah, Gunjan has raised the hand. Just a minute. Is it? Yeah, unmute. Yeah. Yeah, Gunjan.
Hi, I was muted. I couldn't unmute myself.
Okay.
Past participle would be Shongmut.
Very nice. And
Shongad
Kashish.
for continuous.
Kashish is here. Kashish, yeah. Let me unmute. I think Kashish might be on mute. Yeah, Kashish is on mute. Guys, I'm not sure why this gets muted all, because I unmuted everybody. Vihan also is muted. Yeah, he's now unmuted. Very good. So Kashish, can you tell me shong का continuous में क्या होगा?
Shangan.
शंगान, क्या है ना? ऊपर से देखो आप कैसे करते हैं, पकान, बोज, बोज, बोजान, यहाँ पे ये गलत है, दिस शुड बी बोजान, बोज, बोजान, दोर, दोरान, वन, वनान, पर, परान, शोंग,
Shangan.
very nice, shong, shongan, very good. I hope everybody is clear with this table so far. Vihan, Vihan,
Just a show. Do you want to sleep?
if my verb is rut means to get hold of something, rut. So what will be my continuous? Vihan, what will be the continuous of rut? Continuous of rut. Vihan,
Ratan. Ratan.
rut का क्या आएगा?
Ratan.
Very nice, ratan. Rut का ratan आएगा. Very good. Alicia, she's on the call ना? आहान आपके साथ Alicia है ना? Past participle क्या आएगा? रट का. Anybody says past participle of rut?
Rodmuth.
Rotomoth. Very good, yeah. You guys are rocking. Guys, I think this time is getting over, but I have a bunch of slides which I want to finish. Can after this meeting is done, I think if I immediately set up another meeting, will there be a problem? Because I can set it up. So I have time. Is it okay if we continue?
Yes.
So if the meeting is disconnected because Zoom disconnects after 40 minutes, just be back. I will send the new details on the WhatsApp group. Okay. So I hope so far you guys have understood this and you will be able to make given a verb. So just I give you a verb. So you should be able to get help from your dad, mom, या घर में जो भी है बड़ा who can help you out. Just first try on your own. Don't try to ask help from anybody. Just take the verbs. So that's the first assignment that you're going to have in module A1. So create a tense table for these verbs. Okay, these are your verbs. Team A has D, team B has N, C, D, E, F, G, and H. I think H. Muskan is also here from team H. Muskan, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Were you able to follow so far, Muskan?
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
I think Vihan's team name is
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? What is Vihan's team? So this is these are two two verbs each for each team. This is one slide and this is another slide. Yeah.
Next slide.
So this is an assignment for yourselves. Okay. And so far, any questions? I hope everything is
Are
clear.
we supposed to?
Yeah, go ahead.
Are we supposed to submit these homeworks after this meeting is done or after the second meeting is over?
You can take your own time because we are going to have these classes once a week. So the whole idea is that I want to cover maximum concepts on the Saturday, and then you have the complete week till next Saturday to go through that whatever recordings or whatever slide deck I will share at your own convenience. You can go through it, and I hope to cover all the basic concepts in the class itself. The slide deck and the recording will just be for your reference. So with those concepts, then
Okay.
you'll be able to do the assignments for the whole week, and then before next Saturday, you can submit it. Either you write it down, take a picture and upload it, or you can write it in Google Docs. Some students are writing in Google Docs, like Gunjan and Arsha, and I think Anisha has also written in Google Docs. But some are just writing it on a piece of paper and then submitting it that way as well. So whatever is easy for you, there is nothing that you have to write Google Docs or anything is, nothing is mandatory. Are you guys liking the class so far?
Yes.
Nice. I think the meeting might soon get over. So I'll set that another one. So now we'll go through the consonants part. Okay. So right now we have just understood what are verbs. I think I'm getting a